Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to select object in drawing. Okay, first of all we go to rectangle. Okay, so after that we click copy and select the object to orthogonal. Okay, then you select all, make copy. Okay, so first selection that you can do, you can click Control A, Control A, all is selected. Okay, then you want to select, you click escape. After the selection of Control A, so the next is window selection. You have two type of window selection. Here you click, you see the blue color. If you want, you click the right click of your mouse, you will see the blue color this way. When you are going to your right side like this. Okay, so the 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 blue color with window selection, it is possible when 100% of the object is selected. You will see here, when it's not 100%, it will not be selected. And when it's 100% cover, automatically is selected. You can see only this one was 100% cover, so they were selected. So now, what you can do for another second window selection, you click like this. For the green color, you don't need 100% selection, and only when it touch the object, automatically is selected. Okay, so this is the two window selection you can do. Now another selection, you see, when you click like this, don't leave your uh, finger on the mouse, just click like this. You see, this you call lasso selection. Okay, you can do like this, do like this. It will depend on you, like this, like this, like this. Okay, automatically the one was covered, that will be selected. This is called lasso selection. And you click skip. So the next selection that you can do, let's say next selection that you can do now, you click and you cover like this. And let's say is this one is a font. Let's go for, you click here, font selection. The font selection, when you click, you will be able to cross like this, and you cross, that will be selected like this, and click skip. Yeah. Okay, so you set your object like this. So now other selection, you click, then you come to window polygon. Window polygon, it is also, you see, depend on you. Window polygon like this. Those will be selected and enter. Those who will recover will be selected. Alright. So this is window polygon selection. So another one again, you select and you click here, you come to cross polygon. Okay, cross polygon, you come like this. You see, so it will depend on you. If you do your cross polygon, you come here. Yes, so this one, enter, only those who will be covered will be selected. So this is how you can select your object in AutoCAD. Thank you so much. Stay on. for more videos. Thank you.